guys who are outside an area that I've wanted to film since I got a YouTube channel. The old car markets of old Glasgow is what it's called, but these are used years ago, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's not much to do here apart from exploring, just look at a bunch of old stuff. So cars used to get sold here, like loads, like you can probably find somebody in the street, Duke Street, who got a car here. And it closed down quite a number of years ago. But you still smell like car oil, like, and stuff. What is this? I think that's meant to say Citroens? I think that's meant to say something. Do you think? Chances in this working there. Aye, buggered one. Aye, chances in that working now. Fucking zero. Mate, somebody's been taking the coronavirus way too seriously here, man. Jesus Christ, man, taking it off and just chucking it in here. I mean, if I'm honest, what's a toothbrush? See, like, whoa. I think we're all expecting something like that. That's Scotland, though. What am I do with this? Just kick it away in it, like. Don't touch it, at least. Oh, that's fucking. Didn't touch her computer, I touched the lighter, and it was fucked. I had to do the lighter that worked, but I could tell from it when I touched it, it didn't. You know, them things you can just touch and you know. Oh, bro. I feel like that's going to break, though. My bro's brought in some beer, and I didn't leave any, sadly. I'm only joking, I don't drink yet. Yeah, this place is weird and creepy. We'll have to cut round that way at some point, I guess. So this is actually a building site. The work is all over that way, but of course, like all good things, they use this area too. By that I mean cars. Cars are good. I just left a lot here. Well done, lads. I actually got permission from them as well, but I had to ask. And he usually allowing people to come in here and film, and they're like, yeah man, we'll clear off. So he did. Thanks. Oh, this place is meant. Chances of this. Mate, you know there's no drink or bad one. You know, they haven't drink or mine. I ain't drinking that. I don't like. Nah, it's empty, I'm really joking you, man. A true Scotsman never leaves his drink unfinished. So this must be, like, well, they put the Lamborghinis or some shit. I'm always joking. I don't think they sold Lamborghinis here. You know my grandma's in the street. If anything catch me here, I'm so fucked. Like, the actual. See, they're building houses here, so I'm just trying to get this place. There's a camera over there. I mean, I'm going to be out before they get here, so that's cool. But this place used to be really, like, big. I think that's what I'm trying to get across to you, is how bad it's been just in the last few years in general. Like, over this way, it's like train tracks. And there's been quite a few people that have, like, leapt. I think this is one of the main reasons why this place is closed, because people won't stop committing suicide and just didn't feel right. I guess this is where, like, the cars went. So yeah, if you've lived in the street for any number of years, you know about all the really sad cases, and all the really funny cases. They're awesome built also, right? So sometimes I have train tracks. Oh, hopefully you've seen that one. I'll try and get you back to train tracks. I want to get a good look at them. So I can't climb anything because I've got a sore knee, but aye, the train tracks are like dangerous. And then we'll cut up this way. So that's how you know it's a car market. If you look at that sign, Glasgow Car Market. I probably should have showed you that when we first came in here. So this place is like derelict now. Imagine I found the switch and I flicked it on and all these lights came to fucking life. What is it? What even? Okay, that's another broken layer. There's a bunch of fucking broken layers here now. Yo, what? Something in here. I don't know how she's a trainer for something actually in here with me. And this is a problem with me whenever I record it. There's something always goes to shit. I mean, these are one of the places where I can probably escape quite easily and get away. But fuck me, man. Something else was in here and I don't know about. It's going to be quite creepy. It's going to be a surprise. What even is that? There's like arrows. If I'm honest. I mean, this is quite cool, isn't it? That's a train behind it. Fuck off. Nah, they didn't. No, it's still. Oh my god, I thought they closed it. And that was even like, fuck off. That is literally what I thought. Immediately, just fuck off. I can't be locked out. If that makes sense. Like, oh no, I don't want to be locked out. So nobody's on the shift at the moment, so we could probably get into the work site. Not that would really be a smart idea. Can't be asked doing that. Like breaking into the work sites isn't even like. I know people who do it, and I'm just saying, like, why? Why would you do something that just has no point whatsoever? I mean, that's. I guess this is original iron. Ready? Like I do that, I'm not that fucking dumb. Alright, the fact that there's like my Glasgow City Council can't talk to just doesn't. I don't think that's even Glasgow City Council. I think that's Glasgow City citizen. Right, my gran's going to see me in here and she's going to be like, why is that boy filming? He's my grandson. She's going to be pissed. Well, that's if she doesn't know it's me, like. Obviously the walkies are off and I don't think this is a crime. He filmed them here, so it's not even that bad. You know, like, it's not that bad, if you know what I'm saying. Like, you can't say anything bad about it. If it's not a crime, it's not a crime. If I went in there, it'd be a crime. Wait, you can get in that building? That's the abattoir. Maybe it is worth breaking in just to see what's in there. Maybe it is. Maybe. If we don't get caught, it's worth. Bro, is it worth? I don't know. No, oh god. There's no walkies, aye. That's the abattoir. Like, that building is actually abandoned. Like, I think like, nobody goes in there. Oh, bro. There's no walkies on site. There's no walkies on site. Fuck me. Mate, there's no walkies on site. That's the thing that makes me go, maybe. There's no walkies on site. There's no walkies on site, then we're not going to get in trouble. I'm gonna make fun of the police, but like, just say I'm sorry. Like, I know this is I knew I was doing it. It's just YouTube views, man. Oh, bro. The fact that there's an abattoir there, like, is that barred up? Aye, that's barred up. Fuck that. And I don't like going there if it's barred up. Imagine going somewhere just to not even get him. Fuck that, man. This place is strange because I used to like I grew up in those flats over there where my gran stays, and I used to stay there for a while, and right, okay, no, just never mind the ominous beeping. And so I've been around this area basically since the day I came home, I guess. And then coming here now, it's a big wake up call. It's like you're now 14. Get a life. Stop recording YouTube videos. And I'm just trying to grasp on whatever I've got. Like, no, this is the only thing that gives me happiness. I'm only joking. But this really does give me a fucking odd get. Now my knees hurt, so I had to jump a wee bit and make sure I don't die. Yeah, the thing is, this is known for like really bad stuff, and I'm turning into a funny YouTube video. It's not even funny, it's like almost a dry history class, if you ask me. I'll probably end it when you're leaving. Yeah. I probably will never come back here, because it will be done. It's all about finding out what you want to do for your life. Glasgow is so full of life that you can't even say no to it. And half the time it's all about just getting drunk. And I can't get drunk yet. That's what Glasgow's about, and I can't do it yet. So I've got for my own entertainment, and YouTube is. And I am so glad, I'm so happy if you're subscribed or you're watching, like, please, watch to the end, you know, like, I'm in it right now. I'm going to walk over to the exit, I'm going to show you the old sign, and I'm going to leave. This area has been such a privilege to enter. Like, it's been unreal, everything I've done from here on. Like, I'm being honest, it's been a privilege to film in this area, an area where I used to think people used to get killed, and now I'm like, this place isn't even that bad. Like, an area where I thought when I was younger, I will literally die if I go anywhere near it. And now I'm like, I'm in it. I'm not dead yet. You know, that's the way it is here now. Like, I have no fear whatsoever, no fear. You can't have fear, you know, when you're living the best one, thinking of doing stuff. Odds on me putting a rock. I don't have anywhere near me, so I can't do that. An old sun paper. Oh, is this the whole sun? I think this is the whole sun. Keep the Edith Nicholas Sturgeon. Let's read it. Yeah. Middle school. Oh my god! And it's fucking, I know, right next to fucking puzzles. Oh my god. Oh, that's amazing, man. Like, you can't even make Scotland up sometimes. Like, I am honestly a fan. Oh my god, man. Dua Lipa, man. Like, this is... Eddie what the fuck is this? Well, I'm sorry, but what even... Okay, somebody's... Okay. This isn't lockdown. I thought it was from like the 2000s. That's wondering why it wasn't. Apart from my... What is this? It looks like candle wax, but I'm willing to bet anything that isn't. It's not. This is actually the new world of vaping. This vape isn't even here anymore. Great, seems like they must have done something yet. My guess, it wasn't even the vape. They wanted the vape, they put some antipsychotics on it, and then just fucking done with the rest. Really, okay, somebody's been good. They're weeding here. Oh fuck. Graham auctions, see, like that tells you there's auctions for cars. Right, I'm gonna leave, bye guys.